Hello everyone, in this video I will show you step by step how you can rename PDF. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it quickly and must watch this video till the end so that you get the right information about everything. Now here first you have to click on File Manager and after that you have to click on Document. Now here you have to select the PDF which you want to rename. After selecting this PDF you have to click on 3 dots in the right bottom. You have to click on Rename here. Now here you have to give a name for your PDF. After that you have to click on OK. After giving the name you have to click on Simply OK. In this way you can change the name of PDF in Android smartphone. Thanks a lot for watching video.